Today I'll be showing you how to switch to a personal account on Instagram. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. So first, we're gonna go to Instagram and go to your profile page. And on your profile page, to switch to the personal account type, you're gonna click on the professional dashboard. And you're gonna go to the setting next on the top right next to the professional dashboard. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see the option to switch account type. Click on this and it will give you the option to switch to a personal account. Hit on it and click on switch to personal account, and your account is now a personal account, and that's how you do it.